Hi, I'm Val, the head of the knowledge at the PitchGround. I'm here to show you how you can work with Virusdie built-in file editor. Check it out. Virusdie has a full file editor with a syntax markup and malicious code highlighting. You can get there from reports or from the file manager. As you can see, the malicious code here is highlighted with red. Here on the left, you can see the description of the thread. Now, if you have the experience with any other code editor, you can delete the malicious code manually. Be advised that you may need to delete not only the highlighted part of the code. Here you can also permanently delete the file or download it to your computer for future analysis or as a backup. Virusdie built-in file editor supports all the keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl-Z, Ctrl-F and others. Now let's take a look at those tabs. In the Info tab, you can see all the information like file size, the date the file's been modified, and the thread details. In the next tab, you can view and set permissions to the file. This is how it works. If you have any questions, you can look up at the knowledge base at virusdie.com/FAQ, or you can create a ticket to tech support from here.